speaker so he won't cry.
Hi. There's Big Sissy playing with him. Oh, yeah. He's just drooling a little bit. Danny, hey, yo. Oh.
Oh, you bad Sissy did that.
Are you mad? Huh? Are you mad? Are you gonna roll over, huh? Are you gonna roll over? You're getting such fat cheeks. Yes, you are.
So you crawl.
Oh, can you roll over? Say no. I'm gonna make a liar out of Mommy. Yeah. I am. I'm gonna make a liar out of Mommy. Oh, yeah. Can you smile, huh? Can you smile at your Mommy, huh? What's going on, huh? Yeah. Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
Mommy, why can't I just walk over there?